This quick video will show you how you can make a unfilled rectangle in Photoshop. So here's what you need to do. So open up your project and then go ahead and go to the bottom right hand corner, click on the plus icon, which will create a new layer. By doing so, you will be able to then move your shape around once you've created it. Then go to the second button down on this toolbar and left click. Now by default it should be on rectangular marquee tool. If it isn't, go ahead and hold down your left click and change it to that. Now once you've done that, you can go ahead and hold down your left click and create the size of your rectangle. So I'm going to leave it about here. Then let go and you'll see your rectangle form. From here, right click, go to stroke. You can then enter in the stroke width and the color of your stroke. Once you've done that, you can go ahead and then click OK. Then it will create your rectangle. You can then hold down Control and D on your keyboard and that will deselect the shape. Here, now you've got it on the new layer, you can go and move this wherever you need it to go.